Hi guys, in this video I would like to show how to create a thread by implementing the runnable interface. This is the second method in which thread can be created. The first method I talked about in the previous video. You can check out it. First of all, we import the Java IO package. Then we create a class which has a name B, which implements runnable. By creating the statement, the class B, which is now implements the runnable interface. So by using it, we can create a thread by implementing the runnable interface. So then we create a constructor for class B, that is public B of. Constructor is being created. So the another method is by extending the thread class. You can check it out in my previous video. I demonstrate it with a Java program. So at the next statement, we create another class, that is the main class MIMP, which is for main class, where the execution is begins from the main class. So after main is being, that is public stat being is being written, then we create the object of class B. Object is, the name of the object of class B is obj, which consists of a parameter 4. At the next statement, after creating the class B's object, we now create a thread object, which is for accessing the threads methods like run, start, sleep, stop, etc. can be accessed only by using this thread T. So it is very important, and thread T, the object must contain the instance of the runnable interface, that is obj, inside the new thread of obj, which is very important. Then we call the start of method T using by the thread object, not by obj, but by using the T. That is, only by using the thread we can call the threads object, we can only call the threading functions. So at class B we create initialize an int n, then 4 is being passed to int a, that is whenever a constructor is created by object is being created, the n contains the value of a, that is 4. Then we create the next method, that is run off, that is for execution of the thread is being done in this statement. Whenever the start of is called, the thread starts execution. So run off is for completion of execution. So thread T is equal to new thread of, which contains the object of the instance of the runnable interface class, that it must contain the instance, that is obj must pass it. If it not, the program will not work. So inside the public void runoff, we created a state for loop which will print the value of I is equal to 0 to n less than n, that is 0 to 3 will be printed. So this is how we achieve it by implementing the runnable interface. First we create the object of class B, then it calls to the constructor of class B, which will have parameter passed is 4, that is stored in A. Then next we create the thread T, that is the thread object is being created, and the obj is being passed to thread T, which is very important. Then only we can achieve the runnable interface by implementing it. Then we using the threads only by using the threads t, that is the threads object, we can call the start of method, then it will pass to the run of method, then further execution inside the run of method is being done. So it is very important, t dot start of is being used, not obj dot start of. So after start of is being called, it will goes to the run of method, then executes the statement inside the run. So this is how we create a thread by implementing the runnable interface. This program is a efficient way how the working of the thread creation by implementing the runnable phase is being shown. Then we save the file as the main class name.java, name class name.java. Then we save the file, and then we go to command and prompt to execute the program. First of all, we compile it by Java C. So compilation is finished, no error is being found. Then we run the program. So we can see 0 to 3 is being printed. That is in the run of method for I is equal to 0 to n, that is less than n, 0 to 3, it is being printed. We can see in the programs. So by using this runnable interface, we can create a thread by implementing the runnable interface. So it is very important how it is being used. So each statement is being important. So by this is another method how to create a thread. So that's it guys. So if you like my video, subscribe and like and share. Please subscribe my channel guys, please, so I can upload more videos about Java. Thank you guys.